Welcome back everyone. In today's video we've got something exciting lined up. We're welding a stainless steel rectangular to square fabrication, but here's the twist. We'll be putting two welding processes head to head, the TIG welding and the manual metal arc welding process. Which one will give us the cleaner welds? Which one will offer the best control? Which one is going to be quicker? Let's put it to the test. Stick around and let's see the results. Alright, so we're starting with a TIG welding on the long side of the corner joint. Since we're working with 3mm thick stainless steel, we're setting the machine to 65 amps to prevent over penetration, especially since we don't have a purge on the back side. We're welding at a 45° angle with a 15° push angle, keeping the torch steady and consistent throughout. The key here is to make sure we're regularly dipping our 316 filler wire into the weld pool, creating a smooth controlled bead with no gaps or inconsistencies. If this has been done correctly, it should look like this. Now we're switching to complete the same corner joint using the stick welding process, and the first thing you'll notice, the speed compared to TIG welding. With MMA we're talking lightning fast. I mean, Speedy Gonzalez is jealous of how quickly we're moving here. I'm pretty sure I'll be finished before he gets a chance to say ondale. So with that run complete, you can see the profile is very similar to TIG welding, but we completed it a lot quicker. Now we're moving on to the other side of the joint, still using 2.5mm 316 stainless steel rods, but this time at 69 amps as we're welding a fillet. The key to a good fillet is maintaining a consistent rod angle, keeping it about 1 to 2mm away from the joint. This ensures better heat control, keeps the weld pool clean, and allows the slag to stay at the back of the pool where it should be. By holding that steady angle and distance, we can achieve a strong, smooth weld with the right profile and steering clear of defects. So if this has been done correctly, we should have a 45° profile, which is nice and flat, showing good fusion into the edges. So now we're coming onto the short side of the fabrication. Stainless steel doesn't handle the heat so well and struggles to dissipate it, so we've got to be really careful with controlling distortion. We could also find ourselves having issues such as coke coming through the other side, which happens when you melt through the whole plate. One way to get around this would be to purge the material with Argon. However, in this example we've chosen not to due to cost. However, had this been for a paying customer, it would have been fully purged. On this video we've shown you both TIG and MMA welding. Which do you think is better? Let us know in the comments down below. Whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your skills, we have loads of videos on both stick and TIG welding for you to choose from. Both of them playlists are on screen now. We look forward to seeing you there.